Hello everyone. Today we'll be unboxing the Apple Magic Mouse 2. I just got this recently and I've just been meaning to upgrade my mouse for a while now, so we'll just do a really quick unboxing of this mouse just to show you what's inside the box. Just move this out of the way. So the box is actually quite simple. It's just literally a box. It's quite minimalistic. I quite like it. It's almost, if you've ever purchased if you've ever purchased an iPhone, it kind of almost resembles the same size as an iPhone box. So it has quite a small footprint, which is great. So yeah, let's just go ahead with the unboxing. Just gonna slowly cut off this plastic. I actually got this at a discount price as well because I had a friend who used to work at Apple, and she basically, knowing some of the staff members, she asked them for a discount, which they kindly agreed to do it. So I've just taken off the plastic and it's gonna take a while to take this off. It's quite airtight. And there we go. So there's nothing in here. That's just the cover of it. That's all there is to it. And there's the mouse itself. So this mouse is rechargeable. Oh, there we go. Just fell out of the box. But yeah, this mouse is rechargeable. The previous one was with batteries, so you had to buy batteries for the previous one. And to be honest, I used the first Magic Mouse quite a lot because in one of my jobs, that was basically the mouse that I used all the time. And at first I found it really weird because of the touch sensitive scroll and the gesture pad here. But over time I got used to it, and actually this is probably one of the best mice I've ever used. Once I got used to it, it's just I feel like Apple have really nailed down the tracking of when you move over the mice over the screen, and the way it just moves across the screen compared to other mice that I've used in the past. It's really good, and the scrolling itself, the touch sort of sensitive scrolling, it's really good as well. It works. Again, it's a bit funny when you first get it, when you first start using it rather, sorry. It's a bit weird, but you do get used to it. But there you go, that's the mouse itself. Sorry, I am still getting used to using my camera for video work, but yeah, this is the mouse itself. So on the back, so that's where the sensor is for the tracking. That's the on and off switch. It has some, I think they're metal. They're like sort of metal. I don't know what to call them, like feet, almost like just to kind of give it the support it needs against any sort of surface that you're going to use. And just down here is where the charging port is. So the second mouse actually has a rechargeable battery rather than taking batteries. In the previous one, the batteries, there would be a battery cover here, and you would just replace the batteries, and they would last, depending how often you use it, you use the mouse for, but they would last anywhere from, I don't know, probably 3 to maybe 6 months, I guess. I'm not sure. I mean, that was from my own experience, but everyone differs. So yeah, that's the mouse itself. Put that off to the side. And the rest of the box, it has the Apple, it has the Magic Mouse logo on there. And then let's see what else is inside this box. It's just a bit of card. I think that's just sort of instructions. I think that is. Yeah, it is. I think it's your warranty card or something. So that's what that is. Put that off on the side. And they provide you with a cable, which is great. So I actually needed one of these anyway for my phone, so it's great. I'm actually going to be using this mouse for a PC and not for a Mac, funnily enough. So everyone raves on about the Logitech MX Master Mouse, but I used something actually quite almost equivalent to that mouse in terms of the shape of it. I can actually show you what it was, which I actually got from Maplin, a shop in the UK, which doesn't exist anymore. But this mouse here actually looks very similar to the MX Master mouse, to the Logitech MX Master in terms of the feel. It just wasn't doing it for me. Yeah, this shop, Maplin, they actually they went into administration. They went bankrupt, but I think they're reopening soon again. I think someone backed them financially again, so we'll hopefully be seeing a return from Maplin because it's a great shop. But this mouse in particular, it was okay. You know, it wasn't great, but I'm actually gonna try and sell this mouse now. So yeah. Um, yeah, I think after using it for a few months, I realized how much I miss using this mouse instead of just any other mouse, and I sort of purchased it. So it is a bit expensive, but you know, I think of it as an investment and something to be used in a long time. So yeah, that's it really. That was the unboxing for the Apple. Oh wait, let me put that better in position. That was the unboxing for the Apple Magic Mouse 2. Here you go. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, guys. See ya.